Good noon, students. Hope you have learned the basics of functions of ecosystem and an outline about the energy flow in yesterday's video. Today we are going to see about the energy flow in detail. Energy flow in any ecosystem follows the first and second law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form into another. Here we are seeing the photosynthetic equation in which the solar energy is converted into chemical energy. So this is the best example of transformation of energy from one form into another. And now we are seeing the second law of thermodynamics, which states during the transformation of energy into work, some amount of energy is lost in the surroundings. And here we are seeing an example, that is the respiration in plants. Here the chemical energy is converted into heat energy, and we are seeing the loss of heat during this process. So apart from respiration, locomotion, hunting, running, etc. are the process in which the heat is lost in the surroundings. So hence, respiration or any other process in which the heat is lost is exothermic in nature. And now we are seeing an important topic in energy flow, which is food chain. This is nothing but the sequence of eating and being eaten in an ecosystem. Here we are seeing a food chain in grassland ecosystem in which grass is consumed by grasshopper, which in turn is consumed by frog, and so. And here you can see one thing. The food chain starts with a living organism and ends with a tertiary consumer or carnivore. And here in forest ecosystem, I have shown that dead matter is consumed by fungi, which in turn is consumed by bacteria. So here we have to know clearly about the various food chains. That is, if a food chain starts with a living organism and ends with a carnivore or tertiary consumer, that is called a grazing food chain. Or if a food chain starts with a dead matter, that is called a detritus food chain. So these two food chains are available in all the ecosystems. And another important topic, food web, which is nothing but the interconnection of food chains in the ecosystem. And various food chains are present here and they are also interconnected. So a food web is a interconnection or interlocking patterns of various food chains. And with the help of food web and food chain, we can easily find out the energy flow and nutrient cycling in any ecosystem. And we will identify how ecological balance is maintained throughout the ecosystem using food chain and food web. And another important phenomenon called biological magnification is also be studied using this. Biological magnification is nothing but some non-biodegradable materials which keep on passing to various levels and getting concentrated without degradation. Thank you so much, students. Please go through the video and ask me if you have any doubt. Thank you so much.